So a little bit about the farm that we have is our farm is around 15 acres, and we're over in the Mojave Desert. So this is in like Southern California, maybe about an hour, 30 minutes or so away from Los Angeles. And we primarily have pigs in our production. Like that's our, main thing that we're building the farm around. And one thing that we've tried is like some of our premier one netting and everything like that. And the issue that we had was like, would blow in the wind and everything. So what we really got into was just trying, a couple questions I have is about fencing and more so just recommendations that you would have for farming in the Mojave Desert area.
Okay. All right. I'm taking notes here.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Me too. I got
Yeah.
mine. So that's, really what I'm looking to do is trying to figure out.
So you felt like the netting was problematic. So what are you using now?
So we actually went with just T-posts and stakes, and that's been something it's been working for about a year and a half. However, with the hogs, we do like a group setting. So there'll be, 50 hogs or so in a pretty big pen area, as maybe like half acre. So I saw a couple of your videos how you broke it down into rectangle shape. You said break it into paddocks. So we set ours up like that because the total property is set up pretty good to fit that rectangle setting. And then you rotate them. You have 10 on one side, 10 on the other. You got the lane down the middle. And so we've set up ours very similar to that. But one thing that we've done instead of just using the electric premier one netting and everything is just rotate them using the hog panels, and that's been working decent. However, we've had recently just one hog that he's our boar on the property. We have some pigs maybe about an acre and a half away, and he just takes it upon himself now to break everybody out and make it over to those pigs, understanding that cheese and heat and everything like that. It's just something that it wasn't until recent, literally the last week, that we started to have a couple issues with him as far as now getting out of the pen.